What's up, everyone? It's Fusion Garage right here. Today we just got a quick video today. Made a badge for the BRZ. Check it out. Going to the booth, and there it is. I made some custom Subaru drip badges. Well, I just made one for now. I'm gonna go ahead and install it today. So I did pull out the front badge. That's how it looks behind. So these pins right here on the side are gonna break off. And of course, all that 3M tape needs to get taken off. Let's go check out the front of the car. Civic here over here collecting dust because the car cover just want to fly off all the time. But over there, hard parked. Checking out the BRZ. Look at the badge. Look at the badge. Okay. So this is how it looks right here. So actually there was a bolt right here. I took it off from behind, but I don't even think you need that to take off the badge. So if the badge was stuck on right here, I used a plastic pry tool and I messed this side up. So I do recommend you could try fish line or a tool with like the hook pick. You could just pick it right behind and just pull it slowly. But yeah, I did mess this part right here up. But anyways, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on right here. As you can see, fitment is pretty good. So first things first though, all this has to get cleaned off. So glue gun and stuff is not gonna work because it's too thick. So what you want to do is go ahead and just like use a heat gun, and once it's soft, just totally scrape it off, and then the minor excess that's left, that's when you can use like glue gun or something. All right, I got my heat gun. I'm just gonna go ahead and heat this up. After I heat it up, it's gonna get a little bit soft, and then I start slowly peeling it off. And I got my glue gun right there. Okay, it's a bit hot, and I'm just gonna slowly peel this off. A little hot, but hey, peeling 3M tape takes some time, but see, you get most of it off, and then like the little stuff, you use like glue gun. Okay, I got most of that thickness off. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the glue gun. Just let it sit for a little bit. And then we should be able to just wipe it off with the rag. All right, gave it a few minutes. Just try to scrub this off. A few passes, but as you can see, it's coming off a bit. It's almost done. Okay, for the most part, it's almost basically clean. So you're gonna go ahead and you can spray it with alcohol. Do a quick wipe down. You want to clean the surface. Alcohol always helps the adhesion of something sticky. So the 3M tape that we're using right there. So I got a bunch of alcohol pads actually that come with the 3M tape whenever I order. So I'm just going to use that. Wipe it down clean. Let it dry a bit. And we're going to stick it on. It's all ready to get sticked on. Again, here's my drippy badge I made. White base, mirror gold top. Peeled the 3M tape already. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna preheat the backing so it gets a little bit hot, and I'm just gonna stick it on there and hold it for a good few minutes. All right, got it all stuck on. I only preheated it for like 30 seconds. Keep some pressure on it. You don't want it lifting. Looks like it's holding pretty good. So acrylic can flex a bit, so don't be scared to put some pressure down on it. It's done. Check it out. Stuck on pretty good. White base, mirror gold top. Let's do it from a distance. Yo, that really pops. Loving it. Go. Nice little look. Closer. There you go. Aftermarket Subi badge. If you guys like my content, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, shoot some comments down below. What else you guys want to see next? You guys don't want to miss out on this build. It's gonna be a wild one. I'm out.